Hey guys, so we're going to get ready for our quiz. I know you'll be fabulous. So here we go. So find f of 0. So remember this is saying x equals 0. What does y equal? Okay, so here's x equals 0. So it equals 2. We want that y value. Now I know some of y'all are freaking out a little bit. It is okay. These are just pies. They don't bite. So when does x equal negative pi over 2? So right here, negative pi. And the answer is just 2. Not a big deal. If pi, where's pi? So pi equals 2. Negative pi over 2. Ooh. And it equals 0. Okay. That's it. Okay. Negative 3. So here's negative 3. Is this part of the graph above or below? It's above, so it's positive. At 2 right here, it is also positive. Actually, there's nothing negative on this graph except for the x values. Okay. For what numbers does f of x equal 0? So this is when we say y equals 0. So when does y equal 0? So here's 0. So the answer is x equals negative pi over 2. What values is f of x negative? So we want where y is negative. Okay. And we never go down there. So NA, don't put 0 because remember 0 is a number, not the, that doesn't mean for nothing. Okay. Domain, x values. Do I cover my negative x values? Yes. Positive x? Yes. But notice we stop. So where's the farthest we go? At negative pi. Can you see that? Okay. Negative pi all the way to positive pi. Okay, range. Okay, so the lowest we go here is at 0, and the highest we go looks like 4. So from 0 to 4. Okay, do we have any x-intercepts? So do we cross the x-axis or even touch? So we don't cross it, we touch it, and we touch it at x equals negative pi over 2. Y-intercepts. Do we cross the y-axis? Yes. Where? Here at y equals 2. How often does the graph crosses y equals 1? So 1 is going to be right here. How many times does my little dotted line touch the graph itself? The answer is 2 times. We want x equals negative 3, so negative 3 is right here. And it looks like it touches, oopsies, 1 time. When does f of x equal 2? So when does y equal 2? So here's a 2 for y. And that looks at, for my x value, 0. But notice we have we have several of these. Here's a y, negative pi. And we have another one over here, pi. So wowzers. So 0, negative pi, and pi. When, okay, y equals 4. So y equals 4 way up here. How many times does my graph touch? It looks like 1 time. I'm going to get my highlighters back out. Increasing and decreasing. Okay. I'm going to say my increasing is going to be my green ones. Okay. And while we're down here, decreasing. Okay, so start here, use your finger all the way to the left and follow the line. So what am I doing right now? I'm decreasing. And I said decreasing was pink. Okay. Now at this point, we're going to go up. Notice we're going up, so we're increasing, which was my green. And then I'm decreasing again. Okay, love color coding. Let me put my caps on. Okay, when am I increasing? And notice again, increasing is green. So from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. And decreasing were the pink. So negative pi to negative pi over 2 and pi over 2 to pi. Okay, yay. Relative, remember it's a high point. This is the highest. Okay, I have a high point right here, and I have the highest. So this is definitely going to be my absolute, and this will be my relative. Okay, so I have a relative max at x equals negative, pi, and an absolute at x equals pi over 2. Okay, relative minimum. So here is a low point. It looks like it's the lowest, and here's a low point. So a low and a high. So relative x equals pi, and absolute at x equals pi over 2. Okay, please again, remember a clean graph is going to be a wrong graph. Make sure we draw on these, okay? Awesome. Okay, let's do the other one. And it looks like we have the same one. So I am good. I will see you on the next page. Bye, guys.